Hello, folks. Now for the postcard. Hold on just a second. So, how much should I charge for this stuff? It's going to be $100 to find out if you pass the integrity test. Actually, it's probably not going to be $100 to find out if you pass. You probably already know. It's going to be $100 to find out if I can see it. That's what it's going to be. And then after that, if you pass the muscle integrity test, I will give you the information to study for $100. So that's $200 that you're spending already for the ability to make it rain and get rid of chemtrails. Once you have studied it and given me 3 paragraphs telling me what you learned, what you see, what's your perception, so that I know you went through the information, we don't even need to know the Excel muscles tested, then I will muscle test to find out how much you're willing to pay for this information. To get rid of chemtrails, to find out how to make it rain, to change this world. Well, at least the greenery of it. So, let me ask you this. How much would a farmer pay for this? Imagine a farmer who has acres of land, who has tractors, and tractors are at least $120,000. Imagine somebody who has land, equipment, home, money. What would they spend for the ability to make it rain? They would spend definitely way more than someone who just wants to find out if it's real. I hope you do this and take this information to a farmer. I really do. I hope this information travels. It's going to travel. It's going to be... Okay, so it'll start off as unbelievable. Then it'll go into believability, acceptance. And over time, I'm thinking like 30 years, it'll turn into common knowledge that we can actually influence the rain. And I'm thinking once we have everybody in this world who is doing this so consistently that you can't really tell the influence of that individual versus this individual, then it's probably going to start to fade and turn into legend or myth. Probably first myth, just like Lord of the Rings, whatever it says, and then it'll go into legend, and then everybody will forget about it. Okay, I'm suspecting that's like 200-300 years from now. But until then, we can control the weather. We can influence the weather. And here's how. It's here, baby. It's here. All right, this is Orrin and Austin. I love you.